I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 23rd. TGIF, what a week it's been, you guys. The SPY is currently above all of those dark pool levels, which is bullish. As long as we remain above, we're bullish. If we go below, well, we'll turn bearish again. That's how it works. We're going to be bullish today above 438. You can see we came up and we just tagged it a minute ago. We're going to be bearish below 436.50 for a retracement trade. Yeah, going against the trend, but there is some room to go down back to the 4 EMA or even this area right here, which I call peanut butter and jelly, the 200 exponential and 200 simple on a 5-minute chart. So every time you see me write PBJ, it's this peanut butter and jelly on a 5-minute chart, just to give you a little education. IWM, we're going to be bullish above 220.50 today. And we're going to be bearish below 218.75. The Russell is kind of stuck in between here. Let me just zoom in here. Yeah, in between this 15 EMA in blue, right, and the 4 and the 8. So yeah, it could be a tough trade today. If it does slip below the 4, there is room to go down, you know, or if it does start to move up, it'll be a little bit of a bumpy ride. So let's head on over to the QQQ. All right, the Qs, we got a new dark pool level yesterday, 361.53. And these dark pool levels that I'm calling out on the major indexes, they are 24 hours late. I will be talking about this with Charles Payne today on Fox Business News. At 2 to 3 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, I'll be exposing these trades and why they're able to get away with this, but also how we can profit on the same time. So the Qs today, bullish above 366.25 and bearish below 365 for the QQQs. And that would be just a retracement trade. And you can see that I wrote, right, PBJ right here. Yeah, that's that nice move if we do move down. Let's head on over to the futures. I'm going to go over to the futures. Bullish above 43.83, bear below 43.68 for the E-minis. We're going to be heading over to the NASDAQ. Bullish above 15,050, bear below 14,925. We have the oil futures. Actually, you know what? Let me just bring in my Think or Swim platform. Yeah, these are much better for the futures. Bullish above 72.12. You see we have this high volume spike right here. Yep, 530. Yeah, so we need to go above that. Yeah, right now we're below it. Bearish below 71 down here. So pretty big level. No trading zone, I want to say. Yeah, but if we do go below the pivot, below 71, that's when oil will turn bearish. Let's head on over to the gold futures. Also, they're not having a good day. Hold on a sec. In the red, trying to make a comeback. Yeah, I do have a retracement trade, bullish above 1800 here. The first target would be person's pivot. That's going to be a brick wall though, but if we can break above it, I got some higher targets. Bearish below those 1795. We'll see if that can hold or not. Let's head on over to Bitcoin futures. And yes, we do get dark pool in Bitcoin. Maybe I'll talk about that today. We'll see. But Bitcoin bullish above 32,750, bearish below 31,900. We'll see where that goes. Let's go to the individual stocks and let's start with Snap, which is pretty snappy today, right? Well, guess what? We had dark pool activity on this one very recently, 500,000 shares at 62.68. Is it going to be a gap and go higher or a pop and drop today? So bullish above 74 for the gap and go higher, and bear below 72 for the pop and drop scenario. Remember, we like to use this 15 exponential moving average. All right, this dashed green line after the first 15 minutes. 9:45 Eastern. If it can't stay above that line, it usually drops. Yeah, one of my favorite earnings trades, by the way. Yeah, it's fantastic. I use it a lot for day trading, and if I'm in the stock and it has a gap, I use it for exits. Twitter also had earnings today, or yesterday I should say, last night. Bullish above 73.75 for a gap and go higher, or we are bearish below 72 as well. Yeah, for that retracement first down to peanut butter and jelly. See that right there? Yep. All right, Intel had earnings too. It's not on the Whisper, but a lot of us in the Java Pit put on a bearish call credit spread, which looks like it's working out, you guys. I just didn't love the day trade on it. Yeah, I studied it quite a few times, but it was a fantastic, thanks to Paul and Andrew, who mapped out that fantastic credit spread. Yeah, taking advantage of the IV crush. Congratulations, guys. That was a phenomenal trade call out. All right, but let's head on over to Facebook. All right, Facebook looking good this morning, but we're going to be bullish only above 362.50. Let's see, that is a major price level. We're going to be bear below 360. That is the trend trade retracement down to peanut butter and jelly. All right, we'll see. And we have this, big gap here. Tesla's up next. All right, to Tesla, I see two good trades, but a pretty big no trade zone. But we're going to be bullish above 655. I didn't like anything before that. And bear below 639. There's a much easier trade down to the downside to the 50 simple moving average and the 161. But what I want to show you is this. Hold on. Oops. We've already hit it twice. Right, so see this 161, this silver. Yeah, it's really powerful. If you don't have this, put it on. It's free. 161 EMA. We've hit it twice. There have been buyers there, probably Elon both times, right? But the third time's the charm. If we do go down, we'll most likely come right here as be my target, about 610. All right, if we do break below that. So again, levels are everything. Totally mathematically trading here. TAL, education stocks are down big today. I am bullish above 11 for a retracement up to peanut butter and jelly, possibly, and bear below 850. We'll see if this thing will keep tumbling down the hill. EDU, another one, but I don't like to trade stocks under 5. We had been shorting this in the Java Pit. There was some massive dark pool activity not too long ago. But look at that, you guys. It's $2. Remember that from boot camp, you guys? You're like, it moves too slowly, right? It's not unbelievable, right? Let's go to DD. All right, DD. We had massive prints on this one. Bullish, looks like they were selling, you guys. Bullish above 951 for a retracement only trade. These are just day trades, by the way. These are not swing trades. Bear below 9. We just went below. And GLD. Yeah, GLD. We've had a lot of dark pool activity coming in on gold. Takes them a long time to get into their position when they do. It's been very splashy, but I do like this trade setup. I only like it above 169.50. 51 actually, because we got a small dark pool trade at 51 cents. And bearish below 167.50. All right, so there you have it. Those are your whispers for Friday, July 23rd. Until next time, happy trading. Have a great weekend, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.